The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2024 Honda Odyssey with the factory raised side rails. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base rack system. This is made up of the JetStream load bars, 60 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available, and the TimberLine towers, which come in a set of 4. Those have a stainless steel rubberized band that wraps around the raised rails. Blocks are available as a separate accessory. You can add those if you feel like you want to add some security to your rack. It doesn't affect the way it holds to the vehicle. So overall you have a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, and bars can be placed up to 52 inches apart center to center. Well, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.